Welcome to see our video. Let's see how to use the solo tools. We need a cutter, a stripper, a clipping plier, MC4 line connector, and solo cable. Step 1. Use the cutter to cut the cable as you like. Step 2. Use the stripper to peel the cable. And you can see the core of cable. Step 3. Equip the clipping plier with correct jaw. Fill the cable into the jar and use the clipping plier to press the connector to the cable. Then, connect the MC4 line connector to the cable. Step 2. Use the open-end spanner to screw the connector and cable. Now it's tight. That's all. Thanks for watching.